Welcome to Vlogging Good Food. Today we are diving into the delicious and moist world of banana bread recipes, easy and nutritious. Let's start with the classic. These banana bread recipes are the epitome of comfort and flavor. First up, the classic easy banana bread. It's the go-to recipe for a reason. Simple, moist, and oh, so delicious. For a healthier option, try our banana bread recipe with a nutritious twist. You won't believe it's good for you. Craving a sweet indulgence? Add some chocolate chip to your banana bread for a delightful chocolatey surprise. Moist banana bread is the key to heavenly bites. Let's explore some easy variations that are incredibly moist and flavorful. Yes, you heard it right. Our three ingredients banana bread is not only easy but also incredibly moist. Looking for that perfect texture, our banana bread recipe with our salt cream ensures moistness like no other. Healthy and unique. Yes, please, let's explore some banana bread recipes that will surprise your taste buds. Add a healthy crunch to your banana bread with our nutty banana bread recipes, packed with goodness. For a wholesome twist, try our banana bread with almond flour and oats. It's nutritious and oh so delicious. Let's end on a sweet note with our delectable banana bread desserts. They are treat for your taste buds. Transform your banana bread into a mouth-watering bread pudding. It's comfort food at its finest. Looking for the bite-sized delights, our mini banana bread muffins are perfect for a sweet snack. Get the best of both worlds with banana bread brownies. These gooey treats are a must try. For our dairy-free friends, here's a category just for you. Just the delicious taste of banana bread without dairy. Savor the creamy goodness of our dairy-free banana bread. It's dairy-free, but it's far from flavor-free. Dive into the world of almond flour with the dairy-free banana bread. It's a gluten-free delight. There you have it, a banana bread journey full of flavor and moisture. Don't forget to visit blogginggoodfood.com for detailed recipes and more food inspiration. Subscribe for the latest culinary delights. Until next time, happy baking and savoring.